Getting kids away the screen isn't always easy, but this robot drawing a lot of fun. It's easy to use, just pick the card, put the robot, and it shows your child how to draw. The box. This is drawing table. This is our robot. Good. Like that. This is drawing pen. This is USB-C cable. This is coloring. After drawing, you can color your card. And these are cards. Now my son wants to try it. He's going to show how to draw. First, choose a one card. He choose hamburger. Then put the hamburger.
Hamburger. Hi kids. Press the drawing button and let's draw together. Alright kids, let's start drawing now.
After drawing, you can color with this coloring pen. So there are 150 drawing cards, a lot of different topics like animals, food, flower, bugs, vehicles. So always have something new to try. Look at these are cards. Look at this. I like that the robot says the name each card so kids can learn new words. It lasts almost 2 hours. And send USB-C cable so you can charge the robot. If you are looking for fun and educational gift for your child, it's a good option. Thank you for watching.